We're embarking on a new era of humankind.
Didymos and Dimorphos make a great target. We needed an asteroid with a moon that you can see from ground-based telescopes around the world.
We're doing this mission to prove that we can deflect an asteroid.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And liftoff of the Falcon 9 and DART on NASA's first planetary defense test to intentionally crash into an asteroid.
Even if we do everything right, our sensors work well, our spacecraft is doing well, even then, we might still...
NASA confirms that DART successfully changed the targeted asteroid's trajectory.
Using the ground-based telescopes around the world to watch the system and see how it's affected by this impact event.
This is a watershed moment for planetary defense and a watershed moment for humanity.